Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can delete your Priceline account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Priceline app on your phone. And after opening the Priceline app, what you're going to do is tap on the Me option that you can see right here. So after tapping on Me option here, you can see this is your account. And all you have to do is scroll down and then you will be able to see the option of About Priceline. Tap on it. And then you can see there are multiple options. In here under Legal Info, you can see the option of Delete My Account. Tap on it. So in here, you can see now you have to add in your various information in order to delete your account. The first thing to do is select your country in here. So after selecting your country, now you have to tap on what would you like us to do. So simply tap on data deletion and now tap in your first name and then your last name, then your email address and your phone number. So in here, what is the name of a website that you are coming from option? You can tap on kayak option if you are in the mobile right now. So after doing all of that, what you're going to do is tap on the submit button that you can see right here. So after you have tapped in the submit button, all there left is for your email confirmation. So simply just open your Gmail. Here you can see Priceline has sent me a notification. Tap on it. And you can see this is the confirmation email. And you can see there is the option of confirm email right here. Tap on it. And just like this, you can see your request has been confirmed, and within few times you will be notified about your account deletion. And that is it. That is how you can delete your Priceline account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.